It's AJ. Today is a longer video. I'm teaching you how to make this beautiful something like this beautiful gingerbread house out of pretty much useless materials in Minecraft, such as diorite and granite. And to polish them, you just put 4 of them together, like so. I will also show you how to collect some of the resources that I use, such as a feather and bone meal. To get a dark oak, you need to put 4 together. To harvest it, you need staircases and an axe. To get bone meal, you need to slay a skeleton, or you can place saplings, seeds, and sugarcane into a composter. To get flowers, you can tap bone meal to the ground. To get pigments from these flowers, you can pop it there and get dye. Alright. Also, to get stained glass, I put charcoal and sand into the crafting table, into the furnace, and then here's the crafting table. You make a frame of glass, and you can place that for white, and or you can have like gray, which looks pretty cleared, like white too. See how they're pretty similar looking? Alright, let's get started. Hop up. Hop up. I can assure you, your friends will be rather impressed. As will you. I will be super proud of you. A good idea is to have some water down here, just temporarily, so that if you fall while you're making the roof, it doesn't hurt you. Make it easy to go up and down by having that corrugated. Alright. I personally prefer the look of it when there's one block between each side of the roof. And I'm doing this in real time. You can see all the errors I make. You'll need a pickaxe handy in survival mode. Alright. Now, diorite looks like frosting. I'm going to make the floor out of frosting. And I'm going to make this back wall a window. And I want it to be like a frosty window. So I'm using white stained and light gray stained glass. But that is optional. You could also use wool. Now, I'm using dark oak because I think it looks like chocolate. So that's what I am making the doors out of. And I am placing slabs across the floor, as well as pressure plates. Only on the inside. If it's on the outside, you might have some uninvited guests. I might as well decorate the inside while I'm here too. I could vary it just a smidge. Great. I'll show you the outside once more. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.